Welcome on board the Grand Suite on the Wonder of the Seas. This is room 1710. So there's actually multiple Grand Suites on two different floors on this ship here, but we'll give you the general scope of the room here. On the side of the bed, we have outlets and USB ports, which is a major win. And then we have this little table here to put your pass cards. And then we have outlets and light switches at the vanity, along with your little coffee bar there and loads of hangers. The lights come on in the suites when you open the closet, so that's a dream. And then we have more closet space over here as well with additional hangers. So general scope of the room here, we have more outlets, USB ports on this side of the bed with the phone, a little curtain for your divider to divvy up the room, which is great because multiple people can be sleeping on that couch. And then we have your mini fridge underneath this cabinet here, and your TV, space to put things with the chairs as well. And what's cool is that there's some good space in this room, that's for sure. I enjoy that there's the sitting area and then other light switches on the walls to dim the lights. But we'll take a look at the balcony outside and show you what this is all about here. So there's a lot of furniture on this balcony, and you can see that there are seated cushions here, very plush, very luxurious, and additionally a table of 4 as well, so you can enjoy some breakfast or lunch, kind of hanging out with some room service out here and watch as the world goes by. But in my personal opinion, I think this balcony is a little bit crowded. It feels a little cramped with all of this furniture here, but you have a great view and you can see no obstruction, no lifeboats below you. It's just all beautiful views of the ship. So let's take a look at the bathroom as well next. Step on up into the bathroom and you have room to kind of move around here. I think the dual sinks is a nice feature as well with the soaking tub and the shower here. Really kind of nice. And there's enough room to kind of put your toiletry items underneath the vanity and the sink there as well. Let me know what you guys think of this room. And if you would stay here, be sure to check out my website at alanazingano.com so you can get help booking your next cruise. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, ciao for now.